Good morning, all students, and welcome on this wonderful morning. Today, we are going to see the worth of a fabric, a very good lesson of Sant or Saint Tiruvalluvar from Tamil or Tamil Nadu. Here we can see the nature of a person. One person who was so much patience, one person who was too much notorious. We can see these two behavior in this lesson, and with the help of this lesson how the arrogant, a rich young man who was little bit notorious changed his behavior due to Tiruvalluvar's suggestion, or with the help of Tiruvalluvar's great message. So first we are going to see the page number 25. Tiruvalluvar was a great Tamil Sant poet who lived more than 2000 years ago. Tirukural is the book of his teaching. It is greatly loved and respected even today. He has wrote this Tirukural, a book of his teaching. Tiruvalluvar was a textile weaver. As you know that textile weavers, we are taking clothes from the shops, but we have to know that it is actually weaved by the weaver, and then we are getting this fabric or textile from the shop. He wove beautiful fabrics and saris and sold them in the market. People said that he never got angry, never used bad words, never shouted at anyone. We can see Tiruvalluvar's nature behave in this passage. He never got angry, means how polite he is. He never used bad words too, and shouted at anyone. Otherwise, you can see to each other, if someone is angry, he giving bad words, shouted at anyone, but he never. Next, in the same town, there lived a rich young man. He wasted most of his time roaming around with his friends. They often made fun of other people. Means, now we can see other nature, who was the rich young man, and he wasted most of his time with his friend in the town, and they often made fun of other people too. Means they was troublesome to the people. I don't believe what people say about this Valluvar, said the young man one day. I'm sure I can make him angry. Come on, let's have some fun today. Means he wanted to give some trouble to Tiruvalluvar, and then he will get angry. So the arrogant young man approached Tiruvalluvar in the market and picked up a beautiful piece of fabric. He wanted to play with trick with Tiruvalluvar. That is why he picked up a beautiful piece of fabric. How much does this whole fabric cost? He asked to the Sant Tiruvalluvar. The son named the price 8 coins. The young man unfolded the fabric and tore it into two parts. What's the price of this piece now? How rude he was. The young man unfolded the fabric and tore it in two parts and asking that, what is the price of this piece now? 4 coins. The Sant answered politely. The youth was taken aback. Why doesn't the man get angry? He doesn't get angry. And he answered to 4 coins of this one fabric. And now he thought, he then tore the half pieces into half again. Before that, he made two parts. He tore into two. Again, that twos, he then tore the half pieces into half again. And now, 2 coins was the answer by Saint Tiruvalluvar. Now, it was the young man who became impatient and agitated. He nervous. He tore the pieces into half again and saying that, and now, what is the price now? Tiruvalluvar calmly went on reducing the price to half every time. He was so patient, quietly answered to the young rich man. At last, the fabric was reduced to rags. Means no use. It is just cloth only. So Tiruvalluvar said in a quiet tone, now this fabric has become worthless. I will not name any price for these rags, for this piece of fabric, because of it is no use now. The young man did not know what to say, but he was proud of his riches. So he offered to pay 8 coins to the Sant. For the first time, Tiruvalluvar smiled, but he refused to take the money. Young man, now this fabric is of no use. It has become worthless. Why? Because no one will be able to wear it now. So how can I get money? How can I take money from you? So you can keep your money with you. I will not take a single coin from you. Now you can see on the page number 26, this picture you can watch. All the students, first of all, everybody should take your text in front of you. You see the line properly wherever teacher is teaching to you. See on the page number 26, you can see the picture. Some flowers are there. Some pictures of this cotton is there. You can see page number 26 on the top, sun, some trees are there, clouds, and some plants are there of this cotton. And in the next picture, two bundles of these threads. One lady is weaver weaves this fabric, and on the last you can see the sari, you can see the fabric. We are going to see and read this last uh, passage of this page number 26. Do you know, the fabric was not made in a day. Thiruvalluvar was telling to the rich young man. Many people have toiled to make it. Many people make it. This means everybody's hands are there. The farmer who grew cotton, as we have seen on the top, in his field, worked hard for months through sun and the rain. He picked cotton from each ball and gave it for spinning. Then someone else carded the cotton and spun it into long, uniform threads. The threads were dyed carefully so that they took on these lovely colors. My wife and I wove the threads together, putting in beautiful designs. We thought someday someone will like this fabric, will be happy to wear it. Then all our work would have been rewarded. When you destroyed the fabric, you destroyed all the love and labor that went into its making. Money cannot bring it back. Never. The softly spoken words touched the young man's heart. Now he was really ashamed of himself, what he has done. So he was remembering at that time, and he ashamed of himself. And do you know, Thiruvalluvar went on to say, I can weave another fabric like this, but our life is also like this fabric. How he connected our life and that fabric, you can see. If you tear it apart with hasty, thoughtless actions, it will be destroyed and you will not get it back again. Thiruvalluvar's words opened the young man's eyes. Yes, and then he decided to give up his idleness and bad habits. And thereafter, he changed his nature. See, very nice message we have got from this lesson, and that is, our life is also like this fabric. If you tear it apart with hasty, it's a no use at all. So everybody should have patience, politeness, obedience. This message we have got from this lesson. Now you can see the hard words. Bowl poured off the cotton plants. Spinning means process of making yarn or threads out of cotton wool. Carded means clean and combed cotton to remove seeds, that black seeds. Spun means drew out and twisted cotton to make yarn or threads, you can say. Rewarded means when one is rewarded, one gets what he was worked for. Idleness means laziness. These are the hard words. And pointers you can see the on page number 27, 1 to 6 it is given. You can write it in the notebook and we'll check it afterwards. Thank you very much.